The sun is gone. It is night. I am in the garden with my friends. I have my book, but tonight I do not read my book. I look up. The sky is very dark and clear. The stars are very bright. Tom, Gracie, and Mia are here. Buddy, the dog, is here too. He lies on the grass. He is happy. Look at the sky, I say. So many stars tonight. Mia looks up. Wow, it is beautiful, she says. She takes out her camera. She wants to take a photo of the moon. The moon is big and white. Tom takes out his phone. He has a new app. He wears his red baseball cap. This is a star finder app, he says. He points his phone at the sky. The screen is very bright. Oh, it is hard to see the real stars with this bright light, Tom says with a little sigh. Gracie smiles. Tom, put the phone away, she says gently. We can just look with our eyes. She is right. It is better with no bright light. Tom puts his phone in his pocket. So we all lie on the grass. Buddy puts his head on my leg. It is very quiet. We just look at the stars. It feels peaceful. I can show you something, I say. I point my finger up to the sky. Do you see those 7 stars? Together, they look like a big spoon. That is the Big Dipper. Everyone looks where I point. I see it, says Mia with a happy laugh. A big spoon in the sky. I see it too, says Tom. That is better than my app. Gracie does not say anything. She takes her notebook and a pencil from her bag. She is drawing the stars. She draws the Big Dipper carefully. It looks very nice. We stay there for a long time, together under the beautiful night sky. It is a very good night with my friends.